This is a Rubik's Cube. You probably heard of it before, and you maybe have one at your house. There are 43 quintillion ways to scramble this, and people can solve it in like 2 seconds. This is a 9x9. It's a very big cube, but this is a 4x4. Smaller, but still very big comparing to this, a 3x3, the normal one everyone knows about, 2x2, the easier version everyone thought about, and this is our star, the very small Rubik's Cube. It's a 3x3, but a lot smaller, even smaller than a 2x2. It turns not that well, but today I'm attempting to solve it for a week and see if I could break my PB. Let's start. So I will be using this website called CS Timer to record my times, and it has a graph for measurement and how I improved. So it's a very great website to record my times. So I have been cubing for 7.5 months, and I average now 17 to 19 seconds on a normal Rubik's Cube. The times here will be a lot slower as expected because it's very hard, and I will be posting a video one video a day for a week and see how I improved. So stay tuned, and this is my first solve of this Rubik's Cube. Not bad, to be honest. It's 27.7 seconds, as I'm not like familiar with the finger tricks, and like I'm used to big cubes, and it's kind of really weird. I just swapped to the small cube, so I think that no one will be interested in see me solving like for 2 minutes. You're so slow, mate. So let me skip to the average of 5, the last solve it, and let's go. So this is the average 5, so 32.27 seconds, so it's sub 35, and it's quite like moderate. So, and I will see if I can improve, like maybe get a sub 20 solve. Maybe I did 2 solves afterwards, one 42 seconds, a quite bad solve, and one a 20 something seconds. Great. So and this happened. Let's see. A sub 20 solves. You can see out of my expression, I was baffled. Like, oh my god, these are like my normal solves, like my solves times on a normal Rubik's Cube. It's like similar. So CFOP is the advanced method I use. It contains the 4 steps: cross, F2L, OL, and PML. So after you finish F2L, usually you need to use one algorithm to solve OL and PLL. But this time after I solved OL, I solved all the yellow piece up front, and then the whole cube was solved. So the algorithm in the small cubes takes a lot of time because algorithm contains of at least 15 moves, and it's
very time consuming. On a big cube, we could do it like below 1 second, but on a small cube, the finger tricks are really hard. PRL skip was how I got sub 20 on this cube, so it counts. So now I'm going to show you the exciting moments of the solve these days, and I'm going to conclude at the end of my video. Let's go. And by the way, here's Timbo, my companion. I love to hug him while I'm sleeping. I don't know, I'm weird. Yeah. This is the first sub 25 solved of the day 1. And it's pretty good. My original goal was to get a sub 30, and I just broke it right away. So my goal will be getting a 15-second solve and sub 23. Get sub 23. I think this will be possible if I'm hardworking enough. And let's go. So I think I did about 20 something solves on day 1. Maybe I would do like 15 solves a day, but it's day 1. So I will be doing more solves than usual. So bye.